Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error that your account has been currently suspended or something like this. So let's see how can you easily fix your issue. You just have to simply go back and open your TikTok app. Now on TikTok, just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. And here you'll see your login screen with which way you want to log in. If you have tap on this option of login, you'll see a login page here to log in into TikTok account. But if you see a suspension error, so you just have to try to take a screenshot and then just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. And here just select help center. And here just select this more option under account section. Just select that option here. On this page, you just have to select login. In login section, you have to select suspended account. Now here you'll see an option tab to check if your account has been suspended. You just have to tap on this option here and you have to try to log in with your account to check if your account has been suspended or not. So if your account has been suspended, just tap on this report a problem option here and you'll get the appeal form on TikTok. So let's see how can you do this or report a problem. Here you just have to select a topic. So just tap on it and here you have to select any option relating to our issue. Let's say I'm going to select account access or security. Then select a category. Here I'm going to select, let's say I'm going to select this recover account option. Scroll down. Here you have to enter your username and then enter your date of birth. Here you have to enter your country, your linked phone number or email. You have to use the phone number or the email which is linked to your account. Then you have to enter the device in which you have logged in your accounts last time. So here you have to also enter your linked account. If you have any linked accounts, let's say it must be Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you just have to enter the ID here. And here you have to enter the contact email address on which email TikTok will inform you. And here you have to also enter a description to appeal for your violations if you have. Or you can also try to upload your screenshots on this screen. Just tap on this upload option and you'll get this uploading screen. Just upload your screenshot here and then click these. And once I have done all of this, just tap on the submit option and your report will be submitted to TikTok. After that, TikTok will respond to you in up to 24 hours or it might take 7 days. So you must have to wait and after that your account will be recovered. So in this way, you can easily fix your TikTok suspended account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.